Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. If you just stopped by, I would be happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. Today I'm participating in a challenge called as Craft Your Stash DIY Challenge, and this is hosted by Antoinette from Simple yet Chic. And this is basically the things that you have around your house. You make something organizational stuff. So I was planning to do something to hold my craft supplies. So if you haven't already been to her channel, you have to visit her channel. She has amazing creative content. And I leave the link of her channel in the description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. And I would recommend you to visit all her playlists so you will get like a lot of great ideas and inspirational videos. So to do this project, I'm going to use one of my shoebox and some of the banner paper from school supply section of Dollar Tree and some glue. I'm going to do the adhesive spray and some glue sticks and glue gun. So without any further ado, let's get started. final result of my organizational stuff, you guys. So this is my shoe box, converted into something useful that I can store my craft supplies. And also I used a lot of like I showed, the cereal boxes. Let me show from this corner. And this was the longest cereal box, and I'm storing my stickers and stuff like that. And the next size, I'm storing like the signs and some picture frames and stencils, some of the signs. And I made like a compartment kind of thing here. You can see a compartment. And this actually is one of the box that came like that, so I thought I can use this to store my skewers and stuff like that. And I have my markers, some more frames. And the cover of the shoe box, I also didn't throw that away. And I also used that. These are two tall, some of the boxes that I had. And that is also a cookie box and another cookie box. Like you saw the process, I just stuck banner art paper from school supplies section. I chose this one because it's got like nice, beautiful wood grain to it. And I like that color of the wood grain, so I thought like I should make use of this. And I saw all of these boxes lying in the house, so I thought like this will be useful for my craft supply storage, organizational stuff kind of thing. So this came in handy. So yeah, I'm very happy how this turned out. I hope you also enjoyed watching and working along with me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.